Bloomberg reported that the co-founder of modular home manufacturer Samara plans to donate $15 million to an initiative that aims to provide prefabricated homes to victims of the wildfires that struck Los Angeles. The donation will come from Joe Gebbia, who also co-founded Airbnb and serves as a board member of Tesla. Samara will reportedly handle installation and permitting, while Steadfast LA, a nonprofit organization led by businessman Rick Caruso, will help coordinate the effort. The project expects to fund 100% of the factory-made houses, which will include installation costs, and initially distribute the homes to low-income residents. UCLA estimated that, as of February 4th, the wildfires had destroyed over 16,000 homes and commercial structures, causing property and capital losses that range between $95 billion and $164 billion. Samara describes its homes as an accessory dwelling unit designed for backyards and offers a product range that features 420 square foot studios to 2-bedroom units of 950 square feet. Prices vary from $147,000 to $261,000 plus installation. According to the startup, the configuration to completion process takes about 7 months, including site visits, permit preparation, site preparation, transportation, craning the units, connecting the grid, and setting up the solar system. Bloomberg cited data from the California Home Building Foundation that indicates a growing popularity for accessory dwelling units in California. According to the foundation, property owners in Los Angeles County pulled more than 4,000 building permits for ADUs last year. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.